guys.
It has. It's ugly.
Do you want to say hi, Marcelo? I'm gonna record you on this time. That I need to record me.
Marty, I can throw this liquid slime away, right?
Yeah.
I asked her.
Okay. So you can't see my notes. There. So. Can you see it?
Whoa. Look how big is mine.
I can see it on the camera. You, Barbie stuff. This is mine. Yours doesn't have pink Barbie stuff. I made both of his.
I'm gonna see.
Hello, I made this.
I'm gonna see what happens after.
Yeah, but I made this.
After I'm gonna see what happens inside my slime. After I'm done.
I made it for him.
Whoa, so cool.
I made another one,
Whoa.
but
This is so
it's already in the
cool.
trash can, probably. Okay, I'm gonna try making a star. So you can see.
Whoa. So big. Sticky.
I'm making a star.
Mine's just like so big right now.
And I made a star.
Well, yours is so small. I'm taking all the slime out. When I take the whole thing out, guess what? Mine is going to be so
Oh
big.
my god. Slime.
Look how big is mine right now.
Whee! It's raining.
I can't believe it's like
that.
that.
Slide. I don't know why. I know something. Okay, just give me a second.
Oh my gosh. Look how big is mine right now. Mine's like,
Whoa.
mine's so big right now. I think I gotta chill about this. I got. Bro, chill. Oh my gosh. Yours is so big, but mine is the biggest one.
Oh wait, I know what I want to make.
Look how much slime I already got right now.
So,
And
no,
this
I want to
is-
get all the slime out too.
What's
It's
doing?
like crazy that we're making like 2 videos at a time. We're using like 2 little iPads.
No, we're not going to.
No, look, we're using both. You know.
Okay, now I'm done with mine. Okay.
Now what are you doing?
I'm gonna record it. Wait, what happened?